Okay, I want to take some time to talk about maps at Disneyland. Now, you got the regular maps, you got the different language maps, but I want to talk about the Family Adventure map. Now, the Family Adventure map is actually designed for children and families. It's really cool. Let's take a look at the California Adventure map. They do have one for Disneyland side, but I'm going to show you what the California Adventure map looks like. You got the front cover here, looks great. We're going to open it up here. Sorry, I'm fumbling around a little bit, but I'll get it open, and here we go. That is the inside of the park. I mean, look how cute that is. You got everything is all nice and colorful, and it's actually color coded to the different lands. You got, instead of just the attraction, you got a picture for the attraction as well. And when you open it up even further here, you got a little like hidden characters thing where if you're bored online or just bored for the day, you could try to find all the hidden characters in there. Obviously not just for kids. I would do this. And then we got the legend over here. Obviously your map has to have a legend, but look at this. Everything is so cute. You got the popcorn cart, pretzel cart, ice cream, churro, fruit, all the necessities, right? And then you got more of the serious side of it. You got the quick service things that are kid friendly. You got restrooms, companion bathrooms, bottle filling stations, baby care center. And they all have very cute pictures, very easy to follow if I was to say so myself. On the back here, it has information about the baby care center, where it is in California Adventure. You got sensory experiences. You got rider switch information. You got the favorite stands for kids for food. You can see if there's mobile order available, along with other things like allergens and stuff like that. I should have probably started with this right here. It's the welcome letter for the map. And you can see the attractions as well. This has a bunch of information, like if it's high up, if there's drops, what the height requirement is, if it's dark, scary, wet. I gave this one to my daughter thinking that she was, I was like, all right, she's probably going to like this, but it kept her busy for a very long time. She loved this thing. She was going around saying which rides she wanted to go on in both sides of the park, and it's just amazing. I highly recommend getting the Family Adventure map. You can get it at any of the guest relations booths. You can get it at the baby care center. Some cast members might actually just have them on them. Just ask where you find it. It is so worth it. And obviously, it's free. And hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.